Okay, so we want to add the actual Zoom link to the schedule of the grade 9 schedule, grade 8 schedule, all the schedules. We can add the link directly to it. So we can share the schedule with the students, a copy of the schedule at least, where they can then just see it and they know when they can just click on the link. So how you do it, you open it up, you go to your meetings. I'm going to add the Monday IMYC Science Grade 9 class. So I click on that to get to the link. Hopefully. Okay, so you go to make a copy of this link. Copy. Go back to the schedule. So that's Monday, this one right here. You right click on that box, insert link, paste the link that you just copied, and then hit apply. Now we know the link is there. We can hover over it and there's the link to the Zoom meeting. Now if your Zoom meeting, if your links are all the same, the same ID for each of your meetings, then it's very simple. You just copy that link once and you right click on the box. So I'll do that again. Let's do it for the Thursday meeting. Mine are different, so I have to do it for each. Okay, so here's the Thursday grade 9. You can just copy this link once and all right, go to the box, go to the cell, right click, insert link, right click, paste link, and apply. So it's underlined so you know the link is there. If your link is the same for each of your Zoom meetings, then all you have to do is copy it once, and then you just go to each one of your spots and right click and add the link. That's pretty much all you have to do. Now once we get it all filled in with all the teachers' links, we can make a copy of this sheet into a new document that we can then share with the entire class and their parents and whatever, and we never have to keep posting on Facebook the link to the Zoom meeting every single time we have a Zoom meeting. Okay, save time, save the students, the students will have it all right here. Right? Okay. So hope that helps. Let's get it done. Thanks.